Good afternoon, I'm Deborah Borchardt, and these are the top tech stories today. Apple is reported to be cutting production on its 5C iPhone. The C was meant to stand for color, but was really synonymous with cheap. As Tim Cook said, he was unapologetic about it being made of plastic. The Wall Street Journal said that retailers like Walmart had to resort to price cuts to move the product, and so now Apple has told its manufacturers that it will be ordering fewer phones. Cerberus is taking a look at BlackBerry's books. The private equity firm, which focuses on distressed assets, signed a non-disclosure agreement with BlackBerry to get a look at the books as it considers making a bid for the company. And Veeva Systems went public today on the NYSE. The company priced at $20, well above its original planned range, and then quickly traded up to the mid-30s. I had a chance to talk to the CEO this morning, and here's what he had to say.
So we're building this industry cloud for life sciences, and let me give you an example that really makes that real. A new company, they can spend billions of dollars developing a drug and getting it approved for sale around the world, and then they really have to educate 20 million doctors around the world on the use of that drug so that they can prescribe it effectively for their patients. That's an enormous task to get all this information out to these doctors around the world in a compliant way with all the government regulations. So we have software that works on the iPad that the pharmaceutical sales reps can carry around with them and explain to doctors really when they should be prescribing this drug and when the drug is effective, and do that in a compliant way. So we're making this life sciences industry more efficient. You know, our customers are people like Pfizer, Amgen, Novartis. We're helping them be more efficient bringing their products to market.
So now that you've got all this money with the successful IPO, what will you do with that? I would assume you're going to expand, maybe hire people?
We are going to be doing a lot of hiring. You know, we started 6.5 years ago. And, then today, lo and behold, we're ringing the bell. The New York Stock Exchange, we're the largest as measured by revenue company and most profitable company to go public this year in cloud software. So we have a lot of growth, and we're going to use that capital to continue our growth and to focus on our customer success. So lots of hiring. And do you know anybody?
Well, I was going to ask you that, because, cloud computing and tech companies are saying that it's such a specific skill set for the people that you're hiring. Do you have any, issues with that?
To hire great people, whatever your industry around the world, it's always a challenge, right? You're trying to attract the best, and that's the nature of capitalism. Everybody is. But what we look for people that have the right attitude of customer success and some experience in either cloud computing or the life sciences industry. And then we work with them and we make them part of the Veeva culture. So we are not only about finding people that have skills, we're about developing employees and helping them grow their skills. We're in it for the long term, so it's not always about what an employee knows when they come into Veeva. It's, what's their potential and what's their motivation, and do they want to help us?
All right, so what has been your biggest challenge in growing this company?
Absolutely, by far, it is what you mentioned, the hiring, to bring the people into the company. It's hard to maintain our level of growth and customer satisfaction. We need great people, and we need a lot of them, and that's hard in this economy.
And with the market in rally mode, it was a great day for this company to go public. That's been Tech Trends, and I'm Deborah Borchardt reporting for TheStreet.